and welcome back. After I'm done, I got 100,000 here. Put it in the slot machine. This is called the guessing game from a lucky box. You like the machine only receives. So it says you can throw two back, go back,
Okay.
next two.
So this is a machine.
Wow.
It's called a lucky box machine.
Yeah,
And you're going to put 100,000 dong in there. And you can push a number.
Yep.
And they're going to give you a lucky box. Go ahead.
All right, let's put the money. See?
Oh,
Oh.
put it again. They took you 100,000. Now pick a number, 1 through 20. Which number do you want? What's your lucky number? Number 1.
One of my favorite.
Okay. And then press right here. The basket. Yep. No, right here. Yep. Okay, number 1's coming.
Oh my God! How did that came from?
Go ahead, get your box.
Oh my! It's like a bus.
Okay, push
Oh my
it.
goodness!
Ooh.
Let's not open it yet.
You can open it.
No. Let's keep it.
So the children can see what you have in there. Go ahead, open it.
Rich.
Go ahead.
Alright, go open your present.
What's in there?
What is this thing?
Is that a Gucci scarf? Open that thing. Let's see what. Hey, let's see what is it.
I should not have picked it. It's a blanket.
It's a scarf. You got a Gucci scarf. Good
That was
job.
not that valuable.
You don't like this one?
It's not that valuable after all.
So you don't like it?
So I need to trash it.
Why? Keep it.
But then this one's
You can keep it and wear it, okay? Yeah? It's a Gucci scarf.
how do I fold it up?
I'll do it for you.